guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making one of my favorite drinks called a Smirnoff Preparada. If you're interested in seeing how I do this, come cook with me and I'll show you how. Now let's get started on those ingredients. You're gonna need some diced mango, diced apple, some maraschino cherries, some diced pineapple, diced strawberries, some Tajin or your favorite chili powder, some Chamoy, your favorite Mexican candies along with your favorite chewy American candies, some Smirnoff, and a little bit of ice to keep your drink cool. Now let's get started. You're first going to want to take some chamoy and you're going to place it into a small bowl. From there, you're going to get the rim of your cup and you're going to place that chamoy on the rim of the cup. Once you got the desired amount of chamoy on the rim of your cup, you're going to take a small plate and you're going to place some Tajin on the plate. And then you're just going to cover that rim with the Tajin and make sure all the chamoy is covered. Now, once you finish putting the Tajin on the rim of the cup, you're just going to want to put some ice into the cup to keep your drink cool. From there, you're just going to want to get your chamoy and you're just going to put some into your cup. And this is to your preference. So if you do not like chamoy, you do not have to put the chamoy. It's totally up to you. And then you're just going to sprinkle some Tajin on top. Now, one of my favorite parts about this drink is that you can eat this drink. Literally. Everything that you put into this cup, you could end up eating it. So, what I'm doing is I'm just placing my fruit inside of my cup. I put some pineapple, my mango, a lot of strawberry because I love strawberries. But as you're refilling your drink, you could put more fruit in, fresh fruit, and I love that about this drink. So now, after I put in my fruit, I'm just topping it off with some Tajin. And now I'm just gonna start putting in my candies. I have some gummy bears. I have some sour worms. I have some Mexican candies. And I also have this airhead ribbon. So I'm just going to place that on like a shish kebab stick. And I'm just going to make it look like it's a ribbon. That way it doesn't get lost into my drink. Now I have my ribbon. It's all placed on my shish kebab stick. And I'm just going to place that into my drink. And then I'm going to get my tamarindo straw. And I attach a straw into it. That way I could drink the drink. And then I'm going to put my peach rings on top of my ribbon. And I'm going to put in a watermelon lollipop as well. Now from here, I'm just going to top it off with whatever leftover ingredients that I may have. I'm going to add in the cherry. I'm going to throw in some more Tajin and chamoy because I like it to have that little kick. And also keep in mind that this drink does not have to be an alcoholic drink. You can totally omit the Smirnoff and just add in Squirt, the soda, and it'd be the perfect mocktail for a baby shower. And there you have it, you guys. Our Smirnoff Preparada is finished. And it makes the perfect drink for a Friday night. I hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already a part of my cooking family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But until then, I'll cook with you later. Bye, guys.